Death, the inevitable conclusion we all face, yet remains one of life's greatest mysteries. What happens to the body once we draw our final breath? Today, on Arms, we explore the journey of the human body after death, from that very moment until it returns to the earth. Let's dive deep into the science and process of decomposition. At the moment of death, the heart stops beating and blood ceases to flow. Oxygen no longer circulates and the cells of the body begin to die. This initiates a cascade of events known as the process of decomposition. The first step? Pallor mortis. Without blood flow, the body's skin starts to turn pale, typically within 15 to 30 minutes. Within a few hours, the next phase sets in, or the cooling of the body. Without internal heat production, the body gradually matches the ambient temperature, losing about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.8 degrees Celsius per hour. As the body cools, rigor mortis begins. Around 2 to 6 hours after death, muscles stiffen due to chemical changes. This rigidity peaks at around 12 hours, locking the body in its final pose. It can last for 24 to 48 hours before relaxing again. But beneath the surface, another, more invisible process is taking place. The body's cells, deprived of oxygen, start to break down through a process called enzymes. Inside the cells begin to digest their own tissues, liquefying organs such as the liver and brain. With autolysis comes the next major stage. This is where the bacteria in our gut, which helped us digest food in life, begin to break down the body's tissues in death. These bacteria release gases like methane and hydrogen sulfide, causing the body to bloat and emit a distinct odor. During this stage, the skin discolors, turning greenish, then purplish-black as blood decomposes. Blisters form on the skin, and eventually, the body begins to lose its structure. Fluids leak out, and the environment attracts flies and other insects. Insects, especially flies, play a crucial role in the decomposition process. Within hours, they lay eggs on the body, which hatch into maggots that consume soft tissue. Beetles, ants, and other scavengers soon follow. As the body continues to decompose, it enters the stage known as. This is when the most significant breakdown happens, leaving behind bones and tougher tissues. Eventually, the body collapses inward as the soft tissues are consumed or liquefied. The final stage of decomposition is, with most of the soft tissue gone, what remains are bones, cartilage, and a few resistant materials. Over the course of weeks, months, or even years, depending on environmental conditions, these too will break down, leaving only skeletal remains. And there it is, the full cycle of death. From the moment of passing to the return of our bodies to the earth, decomposition is nature's way of recycling. Every stage is a reminder of the impermanence of life and the inevitability of our return to the soil. In death, as in life, we are part of a greater system, a cycle of creation, destruction, and renewal. Thank you for watching this journey of understanding what happens to our bodies after death. Here on Arms, we ponder life's greatest questions, and death is no exception. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful,